Alright, you guys, I am here. Eat me some pizza rolls. I've got something to show y'all. So, y'all know you like fidget spinners and all, so check this out, y'all. It's the money. Not neat? Yeah, it's neat, isn't it? Another addition to this guy. Alright, you got that right? Yeah. I know it's neat, right? Check that out. Bright as heck. Damn, it's worth it. The lights should go off. Well, there they go. If you guys remember, still got the metallic. Yeah. Still got my graduation one. Still got the silver metallic. The one my dad dipped in paint. Neat as heck. Check these guys out. This is a Genji shuriken. Alright. My glow one. And then the last one I got. The Batman.